और असो वेता पोनोलेम आनी मागीर फुडें माया आनी फुडें आमचे ते मतदारसंघान पडटा आमचे आनंद बाब आमचो एक्टींग स्पीकर एन हो हें काम फाटल्या वर्साक फाटल्या तेंपान केलें ऑलमोस्ट 10 वर्सां जाल्लीं आसा ऑलमोस्ट 10 years ओल्ड एन रोड एकदम पिड्यार जाल्लो आसा हांगा खूब लोकांक त्रास जाल्ले आसा आनी ताजो वीथ जावन आसा 3.33 meters पूण आतां हें काम आमी घेतलेलें आमचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर राबोवन काम घेतलेलें आसा आनी तशेंच आमी 5.5 meter इन वीथ दवरतले कार्पेट एरिया एंड लेंथ जावन आसा 1.6 kilometers एंड द टोटल एस्टिमेट हें कामाचें जावन आसा 3 crores 6 lakhs बरें व्हडलें काम आसा आनी चड गरज आसा कित्याक आमचो कालवी ब्रीज आमी इनॉग्रेशन केलो पण आतां आमचो एकदम एक्टीव आसा खुबशे लोक फ्रॉम बिचोली तेवटेन हांगा हेवटेन येतात आनी टू कालवी ब्रीज ते पणजे कामाक वतात सो इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी हेविली यूज रोड सो इट वॉज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट व्हेरी इमिनंट हें काम जावंक जाय आसलें जाल्लें आसा एंड फॉर दॅट आय थँक द पीपल फॉर गिवींग मी ऑल द सपोर्ट तांच्या खातीर आयज म्हाका खूब आमच्या हलदलो मदीं काम जाल्लें आसा सगळ्यांक दिश्टी पडटा चड करून मेन रोडान आनी पयलीं आमी काम घेतलें भितर रोडाक वेन आय गॉट इलेक्टेड आमी तेन्ना काम केल्लें एंड तशेंच आय वूड लायक टू थँक माय PWD मिनिस्टर सुदीन धवलीकर फॉर ऑल हीज सपोर्ट आमकां खूब सपोर्ट केलो आसा एज फार एज डेवलपमेंट इज कन्सर्न एंड तशेंच आय वूड लायक टू थँक माय चीफ मिनिस्टर who has been clearing my file because it has to be cleared through expenditure. He has been giving me a lot of support and I hope the people of my country are happy and there are a lot more works to happen. आता एक ऑर्डर सुरलेले आसा then फुडें election येवपाचें आसा but at the moment we are doing a lot of good job. My government is doing very well and I'm very happy and I hope the people of my constituency are happy as well.
Local MLA. Would like to congratulate our local MLA Mr. Glenn Tiklo for undertaking this work which was long pending and it was really needed. I myself travel on this road practically every day for Mass at the chapel at Ponole on Saturdays and many other times I use this road. Many people use this road and especially elderly people when there were no buses they used to use this road and they used to walk on this road. It was in a very bad shape and I am happy and I really congratulate Mr. Glenn Tiklo for thinking of us and thinking of this road and for taking up this widening and real asphalting of this road. Thank you and wish our Glenn local MLA all the very best. And I would request on behalf of our people of Kalvi and Ponole to kindly consider our local interior roads. And this is my humble request on behalf of the parishioners to also keep in mind the internal roads of the Kalvi island which also require touch up.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you.